Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to hide like reels on Instagram. So let's see how to do it. First of all, open in Instagram and then click on profile icon. Now tap on three line icon. Now scroll down. Find activity in friends tab option. Now go to activity in friends tab option. From here you can control who can see your likes and comments on reels. Here you can see two options: followers you follow back and no one. If you want to hide your like reels, just select no one. Now no one can see your like reels on Instagram. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.